Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our professor, Dr. Jacqueline Mikahis. I am Noemi B. Fernando, and my topic is all about social problems and issues. What is social problems and issues? Social problems and issues encompass a wide range of challenges that affect individuals, communities, and societies as a whole. This can include poverty, inequality, discrimination, unemployment, access to healthcare, education, and environmental degradation. Addressing these issues often requires a multifaceted approach involving government policies, community initiatives, and societal changes to create a more just and equitable world. Social problems and issues are important for several reasons. One is the humanitarian concerns. Humanitarian concerns addressing these issues is crucial for ensuring basic human rights and dignity for all individuals. Second is the social justice. Social problems often stem from systematic injustices such as discrimination, inequality, and marginalization. And the next is the community stability. It is addressing these issues helps promote social cohesion and harmony. Fourth is the economic impact. Social problems can have significant economic consequences, including reduced productivity, increased healthcare costs, and higher crime rates. Five is the public health. These issues is vital for improving overall health outcomes and well-being in communities. Six is the environmental sustainability. It is essential for ensuring a sustainable future for all. And number seven is the social progress. It is a tackling social problems is essential for fostering social progress and creating a more just, equitable, and inclusive society. There are eight factors of social problems and issues. Social problems and issues can stem from various factors including economic inequality. Disparities in wealth and income can lead to issues such as poverty, lack of access to education, and social exclusion. Second is the cultural factors. Cultural norms, beliefs, and practices can perpetuate discrimination, prejudice, and social divisions based on factors such as race, ethnicity, gender, sexuality, religion, or disability. And the third is the political factors. Inadequate policies, governance failures, corruption, and lack of political will. Another factors is the environmental factors. Environmental degradation, natural disasters, and climate change can have significant social consequences, including displacement, resource scarcity, and health risk. Fifth is the technological factors. Advancements in technology can create new social problems, such as job displacement due to automation, privacy concerns, and digital divides based on access to technology. Six is the globalization. It is the economic globalization can lead to both opportunities and challenges, including outsourcing of jobs, cultural homogenization, and exploitation of labor in developing countries. Seven is the historical context. Historical injustices such as colonization, slavery, and systematic discrimination can have long-lasting effects on societies and contribute to ongoing social problems. And the last factor is the psychological factors, like mental health issues, trauma, and social stigma can exacerbate social problems and affect individuals' ability to access support and resources. That's end my report. Thank you for watching and God bless.